People, you know, so I kick back here and me a hold a meds. And me hear them as say reggae music and dancehall dead. But let me ask a question. If reggae music and dancehall is dead, why in the summertime the festivals they are so packed? All reggae festivals across the planet are packed with people. Let me tell you something. All of you who sat at that table and fabricates on lies and made on plans to discredit reggae music, it now go work. Reggae music and dancehall music been there and done that, and also influence a lot of these new genre of music that coming out. What do you want to tell me? You are so ungrateful. I would like to know, all of you who sat at that table with those fishy swim around people to discredit reggae music, why? Like Peter Touch would say, is it too black for them? No, it is not too black for them. It is too powerful. It is too powerful. And then you're gonna use your false narrative to discredit reggae music and blame it on the younger generation. Peter say you can't blame the youths. The youths in Jamaica who are singing this new kind of dancehall style have nothing to do with this. This is deeper than that. And if you read between the lines, you will understand where I'm coming from. Let me tell you something. Many of you gonna look at this video and say, who is this idiot talking? But let me tell you something. I am not stupid. I am not walking on my brain. I see what's going on. When they fabricate their lies and pushing their false narrative, they use the media. And these people study human psychology, and they know whatever they push through the media, the massive of the people will run with that. They always been doing that, pushing false narrative. You understand? But let me tell you something. Reggae music is the heartbeat of the people. Dancehall music and reggae music ain't going nowhere. Nowhere. So let me tell you something. All of you who trying to put down reggae music, even many Jamaicans, I know you are not doing this off of your own. It's because you get tricked. And I would like to tell some of you bloggers, go and search for good reggae artists that doing good reggae music. Artists like Aisha Kenwari. Go and search for our music and highlight them, because the good music are still producing. But they only copy them. Let me tell you something. This have to stop. Wake up, people. Wake up. Don't let them trick you. Remember, it's Bob Marley sings him shot the sheriff. And Peter Touch come again and say, him is a stepping razor. Don't watch him side him dangerous. I know them youth start slackness. I know them start the certain style of singing in reggae music and dancehall music. No, and it's not them started. Them only take it to another level. And you can't use that as a reason to say reggae music is dead and dancehall is dead. No, because the good musicians them still produce good music, and the good artists them still there singing good songs. It's just you the swim around people them. You see how far you go, you also go and elect swim around people into reggae music and dancehall music to discredit reggae music, to show the world that, you see, these people, they are not serious, they are just blah, 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 blah. Don't take them serious. They are nonsense. No. And you know where you go and select the swim around people? Right there in Jamaica. And then you have many Jamaicans and other people in other parts of the world who are so blind and not seeing what's going on. Don't let the media trick you.